G'day everyone. So today I'm going to be putting, or tonight, going to be putting a exhaust pipe on my mower. So this engine is from a different mower, and so that is the current exhaust, and it goes straight into the side of this. So it's not like that, it's actually completely black, but you can't really see it here. Here's the light. It is completely black. And you can touch the black and it's actually dirty underneath with normal dirt. Anyway, so galvanized pipe. Don't know how well this is going to go, because everyone knows heat up galvanized metal and terrible fumes, but hopefully those burn away or don't happen at all. But this is the general idea. Have a pipe flange. It's around $8. Angle piece around $5, maybe $4. And then this piece of pipe, 450mm by 25mm. Now that is just going to go like that, and I'll attach it there somehow. So, already a little way through this before I decide to record. So I've just drilled into that and put a Tech screw, one of those. Now this was about maybe $12 for a $12 for 12. It's about $1 each. And anyway, so just gonna screw in 2 more. Okay, there we go. Okay, and I'll do the last one off camera, I think. Now I might go feed these blasted dogs. Who wants dog dinner? Now with the dogs eating, we should hopefully have less interruptions. Yeah. Okay. So I've screwed all those in. And here you go. I forgot to record. But anyway, so it's just the angle one screwed into there. And this pipe screwed into there. So, let's see how we go. Okay. Come on. Yeah. There. Started. And I might do a video on this. Yep, it's a project done, project completed, and I call that a success. Now I did do it in so tight that doesn't even need to be mounted there. Maybe that would change one day. There you go. Thanks for watching.